In this video, I will teach you how to use Robot Learn to manually move the robot to a general position. Right now the robot is at home position, and I will teach it to find the first wafer in the cassette. First, stop the robot. Now you should be able to move the robot by hand manually. Bring it to the position that you want it to be taught. So in this case, under the first wafer in the cassette. Use the knob up here to adjust the Z value. As you can see, the arm is now directly below the wafer. Make sure that the arm is centered and that the holes will be in the middle of the wafer. When you have found the correct position, go back to your screen and hit Save Learn Data. Next, home the robot. Now, your new positions will be saved in the robot, but will not be saved in the software. In order to see what the new robot coordinates are, you must dump the teach data from the robot. Notice how the values have changed. Now you may test your new position by using pick or place. In this video, I will show you how to finely tune the robot teach process using the software without manually moving the arm. For example, let's say you are picking from your cassette, but you need to change the Z of the first wafer by small increments. In order to do that, you will need to first, let's say you want to change Z. You first need to move to your save Z. Notice how this Z value has now changed, although the actual robot may or may not move. Now you can toggle your move step. 100, 1000, 1. Let's try 100 in this case. Let's say it was too high to begin with. Then we lower it here. Z down. Notice that it went down by 100. Now you want to save your Z. And notice how this value has changed too. Every time you want to change one of these values, you need to write it to the robot. Write teach data. Overwrite the old data. And now let's toggle between stations. Always click yes, go back to send cassette, and you will see that the saved Z is now going to be the same as after you wrote the teach data. Now when you pick replace, you will effectively be using your new value. You may use this for adjusting T, R, and Z, and this is recommended for when you are making minor adjustments. Any major adjustments, like first figuring out where the station is, should be done in the previous method by manually moving the robot. In this video, I will show you how to set the station for the cooling station. Like the previous method, you will want to first move the robot manually. First, stop the robot, and then move the arm to the position that you want. You will want the arm to be just below the ring for the smaller wafer size. Here. We can probably go a little higher. Once you have that position and that it is centered, you may try to put a wafer on top and make sure that the arm is not touching the wafer. Now press Save Learn Data, and then home your robot. Now you should be able to pick and place using your new saved value. So I will first be at send cassette and pick.